What's going on, YouTube world? It's your boy Carbonate. Today, what I'm gonna do is see this right here. This is not good, mate. Not good at all. Let's take a closer look at it. Got water all down in this right here. Now, known problem in RX8s. What I'm gonna do to rectify the situation is drill a hole at the bottom, coming upwards. Into the bottom of it, water will leak out. That should fix the problem. This is a known issue with RX8s. We tried it out on one of my boys' RX8 years ago, and it worked. So I'm just gonna do it again to this bad boy. Hey, Mike. So yeah, let's do it. See how it comes out. So we got the light out. Sorry about the noise. Neighbors are working as well. Got the light up. So we're gonna drill a hole at the bottom somewhere to get rid of all this water. And see how it comes out. Still a little water in there, but better than what it was. And what we did, the holes that we did, literally put one up there, got like 4 around here. So of course Julian and his OCD-ness. So you gotta clean all this out, bro. It gotta be perfect. So drill some big holes right in the middle, and hopefully that'll do the job. You can probably see it in there. Probably not, I don't know. But I think it's better than what it was. We're gonna clean this out since some people are so picky. And put it back in and see how it looks. And that's that. Alright, pretty much done. Just a little bit of condensation in there, but I think that'll just go away on its own. If it doesn't, I'll hit a heat gun on it and see what happens. On the other side, pretty good. That side, I love it. No problem with that side. Right side. So, we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. So what came in today was this passenger dash, and it has a little cut in it, as you can see. It has a little cut in it. Nothing too crazy, but it's gonna work. It's way better than what I actually have here. Let's see if I can bring it out, open this up a little bit. You see this? This is absolutely horrible, Mike. And what we got here? Something nice. But we have this line here. It's used, got off of eBay, all good. I know this line is here, but hey, it's a manufacturer defect. There's nothing you can really do. But I have some future plans for it, but this is way better than what's inside there for sure. So we're gonna install this. It's gonna be pretty easy. I'm not gonna do too much recording of it, but you can see the gist of it. And before and after, you can say. And we got the good lighting, but it's all good. No batteries unplugged, so gotta unplug the battery because airbag. Don't want that in your face. Anyway, let's get to work, man. Right. So, what we had to do is literally unplug. Pretty much had to unplug it on that little yellow thing right there. So that's for the airbag. Now we can. It's like 2 screws, I believe, right there. These 2 screws. we have to unscrew that and everything should come out. Honestly, let's see. Alright, so Jesus. Alright, so we're literally gonna take this off and put it on the back of this one. So, how are we gonna do that? I'm gonna figure that out. It looks pretty self-explanatory. I'm seeing all the neck. It's actually just these two right here. Looks like it. Uno, dos. Yeah, looks like it. Alright, let's do it. Literally all you had to do is line up these little things. Line up down there. And you bang on, mate. You just bang on. Let me just put these screws in. We're gonna put that in. Bang on, bang on, and we're done. Looks way better, way better. Yeah. Easy. That was easy.